Let me introduce to you our new LED Night Light Tornado Vacuum Cleaner. The front of the charging stand has yellow LED light. It is used for lightening at night and for decoration. This vacuum also comes with attachments. The long tube can make life easier. You don't need to bend down while cleaning the floor or prepare a ladder to reach the ceiling. You can adjust the angle by twisting the nozzle. The brush head design can avoid damaging and scratching wooden floor or glass surface. You can also adjust the length of the extension tube for your convenience. It can reach up to 60 centimeters by attaching both and 30 centimeters with a single tube. The nozzle is especially efficient to clean corners and areas that are difficult to read. Always remember to switch off the vacuum cleaner before emptying the dirt and garbage collected in the machine. Press the release button to detach the dust compartment. Remove the filters and then empty the dust container. After emptying, make sure the filters are placed correctly. Then, attach the dust compartment back to the vacuum. Remember, the bottom part should go first before the top. Our unique Tornado vacuum cleaner has a double-layer filter with a larger surface than the old one. This allows dust to distribute evenly on the filter surface while operating. This can maintain continuous strong suction power and extends the lifetime of the vacuum cleaner. Unlike normal vacuum cleaners, our filters are also washable and can be used again. For our LED Night Light Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner, it removes not only dust and garbage, but it can also handle watery stains. The charging stand of this wet and dry vacuum cleaner is surrounded by blue LED light. Thank you for watching.